How to set substitution instructions in the Shipt application. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial to exactly do it so your shopper knows what to pick if an item is unavailable. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by opening up the Shipt application or website, and we can start by adding items to our cart as usual. For example, these products, you can look at the plus option to add that product to your cart. Now we can find your cart. Once you're okay with all of the products, you can look out for the cart option in the top right and click on it and go ahead and proceed with the checkout process. And we can find the product that we want to add a substitution note to. So for example, this is the particular product. Once you find it up, what we can do is we can just go over and look out for checkout and head over to the next page, and we'll be finding substitution preferences here. So we have an option to, set substitution instructions. So once we tap on the item that we want to set instructions for, we'll be finding different options. We have contact me, do not substitute, choose this as a backup, or choosing other products as backup. We have a bunch of other options available here. Now here what we need to do is we just need to go over and set up a choice. You can save up a selection. For example, if you want to choose this app backup, you can select that and then you can save it as your selection, and you can just go over and look out for checkout and proceed with the checkout. If out of this you can get any brand with equal or better quality, you can just go over and choose that. No substitutions, you can skip the item. If unavailable, replace it with a cheapest similar item as well, you can do so. And on the checkout screen you can also look out for the option to add up a note or special instructions. You can use those options available in order to add up a note or special instructions, and you can provide a broader guidance if you like, and that should apply to the whole order rather than an individual item. You can just go over and do so. And depending upon the item, also Shipt may show options. You can choose what matches your preferences. You can just go over and do so, and that way you should be able to set substitution for your products in the Shipt application. And that is everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.